back, guys. So today we have another Funko Pop unboxing. So let's go ahead and open this up and then show you guys what we got. So this one is just an outer box, Funko LLC. I guess it's manufactured in Vietnam. There's the item number, 1 piece per case. I guess that's a gross net weight measurement. So this one's the Star Wars collection, Chewbacca. Concept series and 387. So there's a Star Killer, Chewbacca, Boba Fett, and then Darth Vader. Collect them all. So there's the barcode number right there, made in Vietnam. Let's go and then carefully open this. So this is just a backing. So this is like a bubble head. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.